'Twas that time of morn when the air, being for an hour their own heavenly selves.
There are no objects that are identical with themselves over time, and so the temporal sequence remains open. Nature is a possibility gestalt, with the world forming anew each moment from the deeper, enfolded realm, which can realize itself in many possible ways, it not being a strict sum of the partial states.
It still appears to us, though, that the world consists of parts that have continued from a moment ago, and thus retain their identity in time, yet matter really only appears secondarily, as a congealed potentiality.
Forest fairies, dryads, nymphs, and fauns beckon me along. For though the air I pass thoughts of.
In a stable configuration of inanimate matter, all the quantum uncertainties are averaged out.
But in the case of dynamically stable configurations, the lively features have a chance to surface.
The life of her face is in her deep blue eyes, soft-lipped mouth, and the ears that pointed rise as the moon and stars reflect in a pool, which look as for a lifetime, poor surprise. I dive into her eyes, her soulful gate, midst flowers in the gardens of her dreams, then whirl back up through her eyes.
There are no point masses then, but only smudged particles, called the cloud.
What's unchanged is of conservation of energy, momentum, and electrical charge.
He's necessarily being closer to the basis of all.